Hey guys, Mary from SVG Cuts here for our Snowflake gift bag. This one has some cool cutouts in it that kind of make the snowflake look really cool, and I really like the way the raffia looks on this, nice and natural. It's a cool little winter gift bag, and I've got all my pieces cut out to show you how these projects go together, so let's get started. It's nice and straightforward, mostly just these two pieces, and they are going to get glued together side to side. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on the side tab here, as well as underneath, or on the two other side parts, side tabs. And the reason that this has a little cutout, obviously, so that the little hole, you can tie your cute little handles through the hole there. And I'm just going to fold this top tab into place, as well as the bottom. And now I can glue this side into place. And there we go. So this is a fun little gift bag because it's kind of just a different shape, a little bit different than your typical, plain four-sided type of bag, since the bottom kind of is shaped cool. The top is shaped kind of neat, so is the bottom. And then I forgot to put some glue here on this little triangular tab. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that in place, as well as this little bottom triangular tab. And then all that's left to do is put some glue on these three tabs here and fold that bottom right into place. Then, looks like I forgot a couple more little triangular shaped tabs there up at the top. And this one here. And then all that's left to do is, assuming your bottom is glued into place, then we can go ahead and put these guys into place. So here's my finished one. Let's take a look here. So this larger piece is going to go just like this. So we want just a little bit of room here above that cutout where this is going to be. And then we can glue that into place just like this around the three sides. And this part gets bent up just ever so slightly there on the top. So you want to line that up, line these sides up with that being right above that little cutout. And then this piece here can get glued just like so around those three sides. And finally, this bottom piece here can get glued into place like this. So you obviously want these folded parts to line up with the folded parts of the bag. And as you can see on my finished bag, it looks super cute. And then this tag part is three pieces, and you want to just go ahead and layer that up together so that those holes line up. And then you can line that up with the hole that is on the bag, which would be like so. So as you can see with my finished bag, I lined that up nicely. It looks really cute. And then I went ahead and put some twine all the way through to make it look like a tag is hanging down. And for this one I used chalkboard paper, but of course you can use whatever kind of paper you have in mind. And then for the handles, you could totally use some kind of ribbon or whatever you had in mind. I thought since this has like a natural kind of feel is what I was going for, I used this really pretty raffia, which I got in the floral aisle at the craft store at Michael's a couple years ago. And all I did was put it through these 2 holes, and then I had some extra that I just kind of tied around. And I think with raffia, it's like the messier, the better. So I did the same thing over here. I put it through, and the two parts are coming through the holes, and then I wrapped some extra raffia around it.